Bass is lethal. Exercise extreme caution. Bass is lethal.
How about an earthquake?
Bass is lethal. Exercise extreme caution. Bass is lethal.
How about an earthquake?
So YouTubers, I got the engine put in and everything, so now I just gotta go take it up and get the exhaust done. Technically what they're gonna do is since I took the 3.8 out and put a 305 in it, the exhaust don't match anymore, so now I gotta take it and have them make me a Y pipe to fit the manifolds on the 305. So as you can see, it's raining on a Saturday, but rain or shine, the little beast must rise. Alright guys, I'll get you later. What's up YouTubers? So I give you guys an update what's going on with the Riga. As you see, got it off of the trailer. Bring it down the poor man's muffler. It's down here in Tampa. Yeah, it's not a muffler city, but hey, getting her done. There she goes. All the way in the back there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Getting her welded up. Welded up. I'll get back with you guys in a little bit.